In this video I'm going to show you how to put captions behind the person on the screen. So the first thing we do is we start off with our video and we get a text. We bring some text down. I'm just going to use the default text for now. I'll zoom in a bit so you can see it. So first thing I'm going to do is change the text to just say behind for handiness. Change the type of text to the type that I like. These are all the settings that I use. I want to bring the stroke down a wee bit. Normally I keep it at 40, but for this I want it to be bigger. So I want the text to end here. So the way that I do that is I scroll to position and size. I'm going to go to the about here. I want that text to fall in from there. And I'm going to bring it up to here, out of shot. So that's going to be where my text falls in. And ends behind me. So then what I'm going to do is go to the end of where I want the text to stay, and I'm going to just cut the video for handiness. I'm going to export this now. The next thing we do is we bring the video down on top, and we see that the video is still one in front of the other. So what we want to do now is we're going to cut this video just where this other one ends. So I go to the bottom video and I cut it. Then I'm going to copy that video and bring it on top of this. And I'm going to use the cutout. I'm going to go to cutout and auto cutout. And now when we play that, the text will fall down. It will go behind me as I speak. Once you've done with that, you can tidy it up a little bit and tweak things just to make it a little bit more crisp. But that is the general gist of how you get text behind a person. If you want to learn how to elevate your videos with something else, then hit this video right here.